Today, we are making this beautiful chicken and shrimp pasta salad. It is creamy, fresh, packed with flavor, and so easy to make. Guys, look at this. Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how I made it. Let's start by opening the chicken breast. We are going to do it in a butterfly style, nice and thin. I'm using 2 chicken breasts, and in total is about 1.5 pounds. So now we're going to marinate it. I'm putting a teaspoon of garlic, a pinch of salt, and also about a teaspoon of lemon pepper. We're going to marinate the other side the same way, and also do the same process to the other chicken breast. This is ready to go on the grill. Let's cook a pound of penne pasta and follow the package direction. While the chicken breast is cooking on the grill and the pasta is also boiling, we are going to go ahead and take those little tails from the shrimp. I mean, this is the kind of thing you have to do if you want a nice clean salad. Unless you're eating the shrimp with cocktail sauce, I recommend you to take the little tails. A lot of people don't like to find those while they're eating a nice dish with shrimp. So it doesn't call for the tail. Let's clean it up. The chicken breast came out perfect. I gave it about 12 minutes, 6 minutes on each side, and I'm going to be cutting it in small little cubes right now. The pasta is all set. I left it a little al dente because I don't want it too soft. So let's go ahead and put it together. Let's start by putting in 1/2 cup of celery, cut nice and small. And let's go ahead and move each ingredient separate so it would spread evenly. 1/2 cup of fresh cucumber, nice and small. 12 cherry tomatoes, cut in half. 90 grams of sweet bell pepper. I have yellow, red, and orange, and it's about 30 grams of each. Let's go ahead and mix it all together. 1/2 cup of corn. It could be fresh corn or it could be frozen. It's up to. This is looking wonderful. Oh, look at the color. It's perfect. Let's go ahead and put half of the medium-sized onion. Time to put in some chicken and some of the shrimp. Let's go ahead and mix it all together. It looks awesome. To enhance the flavor and to give an extra hint of color, we're going to put some cilantro. I'm putting about 30 grams of cilantro. Now let's marinate and put some flavor to the dish. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's mix it all together. A hint of salt and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Let's go ahead and mix it all together. This is looking awesome, guys, and it smells delicious. Guys, so let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. I love the smell of the lemon that I put in, the citrus. You can smell it with the mayonnaise. It's beautiful, and the cilantro. So let's go ahead and try it. Look at that. Look at the color. I love it. The combination of fresh vegetable and herbs. Nothing can top that for the summer. Let's try it. delicious. So wonderful. Guys, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all. Thank you for your support. And if you like this recipe, I recommend you to watch the next video. You're gonna love it. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share my video. God bless. Let's eat.